Hey guys, this is Neep and welcome to yet another episode of Unlock TV. Today we'll be reviewing the Mpow 3-in-1 lens kit. Out of the box, you get a 0.65x wide-angle lens, a 10x macro lens and a 180-degree fisheye lens. I'll be testing these lenses with the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 7. Let's get started. This image was shot using the iPhone 6 normal camera and this image was shot using the wide-angle lens. Side by side, the difference is clearly noticeable. Here are few more sample images that were shot using the iPhone 6 normal lens and the detachable wide-angle lens. The 10x macro lens did a great job focusing small objects, while the iPhone 6 and 7's built-in camera sensor couldn't even get closer. These images were shot using the detachable fisheye lens attached to the iPhone 7. I personally preferred the experimental fisheye selfie shots more than the normal ones. So, is the Mpow lens worth it? I purchased this lens kit at a price of Rs 900 and now it's creeped up to 1800. And yeah, you got lots of other options available in the market right now. But I'm kind of satisfied with the Mpow lens. The quality images that it produces and the sturdy build makes this a very good smartphone camera accessory at this price point. Before winding up, I want to wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. With that, it's Neep signing off from Unlock TV.